Preparing a recipe. Salad of grapes. Ingredients: 1 cup of red grapes, 1 cup of green grapes, 2 spoonfuls of olive oil, half a spoonful of pepper of scent, 1 cup of cut onions to the mince, 2 spoonfuls of balsamic vinegar, 1 spoonful of honey, 1 cup of arugula, 200 grams of crumbled curd, 1 quart of cup of toasted almonds, 1 quart of cup of basil, 4 crisp baskets, salt and pepper to the pleasure. Preparation: preheat the oven to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. It distributes the grapes in a batch to bake and dry. Then wait a spoonful of olive oil, salt, pepper and pepper of scent. Take them to the oven for 1 hour. Move away of the oven and allow to cool. Separate. Add a spoonful of olive oil in a pan to half fry and caramelize the onions during 6 minutes. Add the vinegar and the honey and season with salt, pepper to the pleasure. Go down the fire to the minimum and continue the cooking more for 10 minutes. Allow to cool. If it stops, then to combine the onions with the grapes, the arugula, the curd, the almonds and the basil. Serve in the grapes.